Durud Anin, hello. I'm here to show you the asters of my garden. Starting in this corner, we've got my New England aster that likes to close. Here are my heart-leafed asters that I have in the garden. Similar to the heart-leafed aster, I've got what I know to be smooth aster, I believe. And in this corner of my garden, I have my most showy New England aster that was attracting a bumblebee earlier. The center of the flower says a lot to pollinators. So for example, if there is yellow, that's an indication of pollen availability for bees and pollinators that depend on that source of food. In the heart-leafed aster, if you look, which has been blooming a long time, some of which of the flowers have yellow indicating pollen, and some have more purple color indicating that the pollen stage has finished. In the case of distinguishing them, it could be tricky. In the case of the heart-leafed aster, the leaves do have a heart-leaf shape to them, but when comparing them to, say, the smooth aster, which has a more long, slender leaves, that's the main distinguishing factor, along with the size of the flowers, which are slightly also different in coloration. It's really important to provide flowers for pollinators at later stages of the summer. From an ecological perspective, it is difficult to try and tackle the different stages that require our attention. However, by planting native plants, which are often keystone species, you are indirectly and directly helping all of those that take part in the ecosystems, from insects to birds and mammals. And I believe that's why gardening and planting is so valuable, because it helps us get empowered and actually gives us a decision to make an effect on our surrounding by providing the food for these animals and things that rely on them. Happy planting, and remember, for native plants, you start sowing them in the winter, so the idea of seasons does not apply. Happy planting!